Hey there, my fellow jewelry enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel, Memory Lane by Marie, and I'm Marie. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. If you are an existing viewer, I hope you are a subscriber. If you are not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. And while you're at it, hit the notification bell so that you'll know when I've uploaded something new. As you can see, you guys, we've all received our bargain bead box that we have been anticipating. We all know that we did not get one for May, so this is our May-June edition, or curation, and so I'm really excited to see what's going on. I don't know if when you received your email you decided to take a sneak peek on what the theme would be, but I did, and so I knew that it would be navigation, and so I'm really excited to see what's in here. Hope you guys come along with me. Let's see what's inside. Number one on our list is this 40-piece strand of 6x4 crystal rondelles in opaque red. They are gorgeous. Love them, love them, love them. Number two on our list, you guys, is the 7.5 strand of 6mm Lapis Lazuli round gemstone beads. They are gorgeous. I like the depth of color. You can see grays and light grays and dark grays and that beautiful Lapis Lazuli color with the red. So we're looking like we're moving into the red, white, and blues. Number three, this 30-piece strand of 6mm English cut crystal English cut crystal round beads. I love that. Can you guys see that cut on there? Let's see, pull it in. Let's see if this works better. That does. Gorgeous. Love how those cuts pick up that light and we get that shine, sparkle. It's going to be cute. Number four, we have a bag of okay, so on my list, let's see, number 20, got a footnote. Here we are. This would be the 16-inch strand of 3.5 by 2mm crystal Rondelle beads in indigo. Look at that gorgeous deep blue color. That is lovely. I love that. Gorgeous. Number five is this 24-piece of 40mm brass ball head pins. Love a ball head pin. Of course, lead-free, nickel-free, as Bargain Bee Box likes to try to give us as much as possible. Number six, this is a 10-piece strand of 8mm Cathedral style crystal rondelle beads with red and silver. Those are gorgeous. Love them. Love a Cathedral style bead. Yes, you guys, it is shaping up for some red, some white, and some blue. Number seven, 30-piece strand of 8x6mm crystal rondelle beads. Jade white. Love this shape of a bead. And it's always nice to have white beads in your stash. Wonderful. Love those. I need to try to remember to put beads back in the bags because when I don't get to them right away, I often forget which bag they were originally in, especially if the colors are similar. So number 8, you guys, 3 sets of 30mm banded toggle clasp. Of course, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, and these are just a standard style. Nice silver color. Next up, number 9. It's a nice size bead. 5 pieces of 11 to 12mm handmade porcelain corrugated melon beads. Oh, nice. I like that color. That's nice. You guys see that? Pretty. Nice. I like the gray. That was number 9, you guys. Keep it moving to number 10, 11, 12, 13. We have metals here. So 10, 1 millimeter of 1 meter rather of 3 millimeter steel Rolo chain, lead free, nickel free. And then 4 pieces of a ship's helm charm. These are also lead free, nickel free, cadmium free. Those are cute. Very cute. Checking the weight on them. Had a nice little weight to them. All right. 11, 12. We have some cute little rope accent barrel beads. 30 pieces, 5 by 4. Of course, these are lead free, nickel free, and cadmium free as well. Nice. I'm loving the silver tones. 10, 11, 13. Oh, interesting. 4 pieces of 34 by 27 rope accent chandelier finding. Okay. I like that design. I like that design. That is number 13. Of course, lead free, nickel free, cadmium free. Bargain bead box is such a great value, you guys. You get some really nice pieces for the price. And there's always some nice surprises in here. Something to inspire you. Okay, so this is the curved chandelier focal, 26 by 59. Mine is discolored a little bit on this side. It's got like a little tarnishing or on it. Is that coming across on the camera? Can you guys see that? So I don't know. We'll see what happens. Okay. Number 15. Gorgeous. I can see this through the bag. This is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter Crackle Agate round beads. Gorgeous. This just attracts your eye. I can imagine wherever you place them, whether this is a necklace or a bracelet, it will draw the eye in. Gorgeous. Crackle round agate. Marine blue is the color. All right, as it's consistent. That's number 15. I love those beads. Aside from the red ones, which are my favorite color, I'm really loving those. Number 15. Number 16, approximately 40 millimeter of Lapis Lazuli dyed pendant point. That is this one. I have a couple of these. I don't know if they came in previous bargain bead boxes or did they come in another subscription box. But that is nice. Love it. Very pretty. Okay. That is number 16. Number 17, more of our silver tones. 20 pieces of 8 millimeter rope edged bead caps. And of course, once again, lead free, nickel free, cadmium free. I like these. They have a cup shape. See which beads fit in there. Sit on it, sit on the bead nicely rather. But I like those. I like the little roping around the edge. Nice. Only 20. Too bad. All right, that was number 17. Number 18, 21 by 16, real working brass compass with rhinestone trim. Oh, look at that. See if we can get it to focus. Nice. And it's a link, So it has things on either side. It has hoops on either side, rather. Okay. Real working compass, as is consistent with our theme of navigation. And number 19, these 10 pieces of a 10 millimeter Z styled agate round beads. Z, dyed and heated. Like them, all right? Reminds you of animal print. I like it. Like it. And then, of course, there was our little footnote. Number 20, they added these. I believe these are earring hooks. And this is the kidney-shaped ones. And so, I didn't count them. So, I don't know how many are in there. Maybe 20. Maybe 10 pair. But of course, this has been added. And so, although our identification sheet says 19 items, there are 20 items. This one was mislabeled, and we received earring hooks. And so, that's always good. I like when we receive earring hooks. Silver and gold tones are usually really easy to acquire. But when we get those other gold tones like brass or rose gold, it's always nice to receive some findings for them. So this is the May-June curation, you guys. It tells us that Lapis Lazuli and Agate star in this nautical collection. Our favorite piece this month is the rhinestone encrusted working compass. So their favorite piece is the compass. It is a really cute and interesting addition to add to the jewelry curation this month. And I love the silver tone findings. I love the sparkling crystals that they've added. And so I'm going to really try to make some interesting and share-worthy pieces for this collection, you guys. I think it's wonderful, right? I think it's great. Look at that. Just gorgeous. That's it for me, you guys. I can't wait to see what you all do with your Burgundy Box May-June curation. I'm sure there will be some beautiful things to share. Can't wait to see yours. I'll be sharing mine real soon. As always, thank you. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay positive.